Good morning, stamping friends. My name is Lorri Heiling, and welcome to my YouTube Live today. I'm really excited to share with you today because I received my new product from the pre-order that we as demonstrators get to order from, and it's all products from the new catalog that will be coming out next year. Now, as you know, demonstrators get a little sneak preview on all these items and we get to play with them before customers do. But did you know that you can get in on this as well by joining my Stampin' Up! Team, and you can pre-order from the new catalog. So I'm going to share with you a little bit more in detail when I get to the reveal part. Just know that this amazing deal is through November 30th, so you still have some time yet. You can get anything you want in any current catalog, including pre-order items, for only $75. And you get free shipping on that. So in reality, that's really like another 10% savings. However, you get to choose $125 worth of products. So it really is a good deal all around. All right, and guess what? Thanksgiving is just a few days away. I already have my turkey, I was going to say melting, thawing out. And I'm really excited to get together with my family. It's not often that we all are together under one roof. So I'm just going to miss my little peaches in Georgia, but they're camping this weekend. So anyway, but I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. I know it's going to be a lot of prep work and stuff, but maybe you can just watch this video in the background as you're getting ready. And I just want to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. All right, let's get to the products that are going to be coming out of my new box that just came, and I hope you enjoy. Make sure you comment on what some of your favorite things are from there. All right, let me turn this camera around and get going. Well, my friends, I thought it would be fun today to reveal my unboxing of my new product. As you know, we have a new catalog that's coming out January to June of 2022. Brand spanking new. Look at these fun products, and unfortunately I cannot show you what's inside here, but I can show you the front and the back. Oh, so pretty. I see flowers again. Stampin' Up! Loves their different renditions of different flowers, and so this is filled with yummy products. And we have Celebration. Remember, we have Celebration twice a year now. And so maybe you can peek at these tiny little pictures and see some paper there. I see stripes and rainbows and flowers. And on the back side, we have, here's some more. See that pretty paper? Oh my goodness, we get a sneak preview. But again, I can't show you the inside. I will be sending these out to customers who have purchased from me in the last 6 months. If you have not and would still like a catalog, please email and I will let you know how to get on my list so that you can get a catalog sent to you. All right, now I'm going to reach in this box over here and I am going to be pulling things out and showing you as we go. So this is a Celebration DSP pack. You will get 48 sheets of this, and it's called Sunshine and Rainbows, and this is, like I said, Celebration. So for a $50 purchase, you can get this for free. So let's check this out and see what's inside. The colors that coordinate with this are Bermuda Bay, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Magenta Madness, Mango Melody, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Soft Seafoam, and So Saffron. Oh, I love all those colors. All right, so I don't know if they have, okay, they have all the same on the top. So the first set looks like this. Oh, it's just so bright and cheery with sunshine on the other side, more rainbows and more of the blues and greens. I love that Stampin' Up! Always puts such a different pattern on the opposite side. In case you're not so into rainbows, then you have that, you know, solid image on the other side. This one is clouds with tiny, teeny rainbows on that side. Oh, I love my stripes. And these colors are so pretty together. And then, oh, isn't that cute? That'll work for Valentine's Day too. The Pool Party hearts. And we got triangles. And there's that Misty Moonlight with little X's or crosses pattern. Smaller stripes. And the back side of this is going to be Pool Party and just some lines that kind of look like a cloud a little bit. Oh, polka dots. I haven't seen polka dots for a while. I love polka dots. Those never go out. And then look at these wide stripes. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I wish this was in the catalog that's through June. So you're going to want to get this while you can when it's free during Celebration. It's only 2 months, and I can guarantee these 2 months are going to go fast. Lots of rainbows. We do have a rainbow set in the new catalog. And oh, there's Soft Sea Foam. Here's our Bermuda Bay with stripes. You know me, I'm a stripes girl. Look at I have so many black and white and blue and white stripe. Like I have every width of clothes and stripes. Oh, that's a pretty rainbow too. And on the flip side of this one is going to be So Saffron. And those kind of look like little cloud blips there. And more rainbows. Rainbows are in. And this is the last one. And then I think that's the Mango Melody. So very pretty cards. This is going to be a fun palette of colors to work with. All right, the next one I want to show you is, this was my favorite suite that I ordered. It is our Valentine. And this is called Sweet Talk. It's 12 by 12 designer series paper. The colors are Blushing Bride, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Real Red, and So Saffron. So let's open this one and see what's inside. Pull them all out so I can spread them all out at the same time. Oh, I love conversation hearts. I mean, I even like the taste of conversation hearts, but I like decorating with them as well. So here's this side, and the flip side is, oh, cute. I love that. There's the Highland Heather. These are little suckers. Oh my gosh, do you know how cute this is going to be to work with the suckers? There's so many cute Valentine suckers, and there's a pretty combo, the red and the pink together. Oh, more suckers. I think I still have some Valentine suckers from like 8 years ago. I always joke, like, who actually eats the candy that we use in projects? Let's admit it. They're just to look at and say, aren't they cute? We don't actually eat them. Although one time I was working in my stamp room, and it was, I don't know, midnight, and I was craving chocolate, and I went and found one of those big Hershey bars, you know, like the $2 ones. They're humongous. And I opened it, and it was supposed to be brown chocolate, but it was so old it was white chocolate. Do you know what I mean? Like the edges were white. You guys, I still ate it. It was like I had pregnancy hunger, but it wasn't pregnancy. I just was craving chocolate. So that's how desperate I can get sometimes. Oh, you guys, isn't this yummy? I love stripes. All right. Oh, more stripes. Wow. This is going to be one awesome suite. I predict a class is coming, a product-based class using this stuff. Those look like the little boxes of candy hearts. Oh, this is by far my favorite suite. These colors are gorgeous. And you know what? Valentine's Day comes so fast, but look at a lot of these you can still use even for other projects. It doesn't have to be Valentine's. So don't think like, oh, I have to use this all in 1.5 months because, you know, like wedding anniversary with hearts, but there's a lot of stripes here too. So this is going to be a very versatile paper pack. All right, so I even got 2 of those. As demonstrators, we get to order early, and that's one of the perks of being a demonstrator. In fact, this demonstrator good deal is going on still. If you want to sign up to be a demonstrator before the end of the month, you can sign up. It's only $75 with free shipping, and you get to choose $125 worth of products. So it is still an awesome deal. This goes until November 30th. So you still have, gosh, 2 weeks yet to get in on this amazing deal. Actually, 1 week. I'm off here. I'm looking at my calendar going, today is November 22nd. So it's a week from this Wednesday that you have to get in on this deal. And you guys, the best part is you can pre-order from the catalog in your starter kit. So you can get brand new things that are coming out in your starter kit. So please text me, email me, message me, let me know. I would love to have you join my team. You can even get in on our Christmas party that's at the end of the month. All right, this paper pack is called Heart and Home. 12 by 12 designer series paper, and the colors are Basic Gray, Cinnamon Cider, Fresh Freesia, Garden Green, Misty Moonlight, Pale Papaya, and White. Let's take a look at this stack of paper. It always looks so different in person. We have bumblebees here. Bumblebees are in again, and I love that because I have a lot of Ray Dunn bumblebee things. Okay, this is the pack that has like a wood grain on the back side of every paper. So we have floral. I know a lot of you are floral people, and then they have that nice little wood grain that goes really with any style. Wood grain is definitely still in, but they all have kind of that gray tone, which is going to match with almost anything. But look at these fun floral prints. That one's almost identical. Whoops, that is. I just flipped it. All right. Oh, the Misty Moonlight. This is a pretty print, right? And another wood grain. Oh, wow. These are really pretty. These are going to make nice backgrounds. Let's go like floral and then wood print. And the last one is the Garden Green with yet another. So very nice. And this will be easy to work with. Lots of color choices there. So that's that one. Let me move that. All right, the next thing I want to show you is, oh gosh, I don't think there's going to be an order to these, so I'm just going to start pulling them out. Let me grab this. First, let me show you the ribbons that I have. Or actually, let's start with stamp sets. I showed you the sweet conversation paper, that paper with all those hearts on. This is the stamp set that coordinates with it. It's a photopolymer. And look at all these fun hearts. Some are kind of shaded, that distinctive stamping, BFF, cute. These look like those little candies. And then they have coordinating dies, of course. They're called Sweetheart dies. And let's see what shapes are in there. Oh, there's a cute little envelope that will fold up and you can put little treat or a little note in there. There's a tag. I bet that's probably too big to fit in there, but you can slip some hearts or something in there, a little banner. Look at this teeny tiny one. So these are really cute, and I love when they make more than one of those tiny shapes, because you might as well kill many birds with one stone. Actually, there's 4, 5, 6 of them. So wow, you can make your own confetti with that. So that's a really nice die set. Then the next one we have is Amazing Silhouettes. This one I got for an event that Stampin' Up! Held, and because I signed up for it, I got this one for free. So they put this in with my order. This is one that's going to be in the new catalog, and oh, wouldn't that be pretty? Versamark with white embossing powder, and then, oh, I'm going to have to show you a technique with that. I can already picture that one. All right, this one is a new embossing folder, and you can see, whoops, there's actually 2 in here, and this is one that I'm going to have to show you how to use. This is similar to one we had at Christmas time. It had kind of a winter bow look, but this one is hearts. Oh wow, we have everything double wrapped here, but 2 come together. One is a die and one's an embossing folder, so you can use them independently or you can cut out. So the embossing folder looks like this, lots of florals, and then it's going to leave kind of a blank spot where that heart is. And there's a definite outline there. Maybe I'll have to do, well, I'll definitely be using this and then showing you. And then this one, I believe, is going to be the die cut that will cut out the heart that fits inside. But I just want to make sure. Let's see, it's called Bouquet of Love Dies. And this dice, or the embossing folder, was called Bouquet of Love Hybrid Embossing Folder. So like I said, they're meant to be used independently or together. And yep, that's what I guessed. This is going to be the exact shape of the inside of that folder. Oh, and we have some cute flowers and another couple of cute banner shapes. So this is going to be a really nice set to have. And like I said, they come 2 together. All right, the next thing is these cute little treat boxes. These are a size that we haven't had before, but it looks like they work the same way. It's kind of the size of about a conversation heart box. In fact, I bet they slide in there perfectly. So that's going to be fun. I got a couple of those. This is a Gingham embossing folder, and this is part of the Valentine's suite, I believe. I'm pretty sure. And we haven't had a gingham one, so that one's going to be really nice too. The next one is, let's show you some embellishment. These are iridescent rhinestone basic jewels, and these are really pretty. Can you see that? It's going to pick up whatever color you're using, but remember our amazing blends. You can color in any color you're working with, so just because they're clear doesn't mean they won't work with any project that you have. Any color blend we have, you can make it match. So all you have to do is color on the top of those. I got a couple packs of those. Then these are really fun. We love our matte dots, and these are, let's see, the colors are, do they list them? I'm going to guess then. That looks like basic white. There's another row under the label. Very vanilla. I'm guessing basic gray and basic black. So those are nice. They're a little bit high, they're raised a little bit more than our other black matte dots. The other black matte dots are more rounded, like, more like, not really pearls, but these are kind of like raised. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that, but they're just really nice. And the other one is we have these pretty brushed brass butterflies, and these aren't going to stick up too far. I don't think these are going to get stuck in the postage meter, so these are really cute. With all those florals we have, they're going to be really nice, and you actually get 80 in here, so that's a lot for, I'm not sure how much they are, but 80 in one pack is a lot. All right, the last, oh no, I have a few more things. This is a celebration stamp set, and this one is free with a $50 order. Look at how cute they are. Oh my gosh. So it's a birthday set, or You Are Utterly Awesome. How fun. And this is a red rubber stamp set. And then I want to show you some ribbon, and then we're almost done here. So this is, let's see, real red. And this is a faux linen ribbon. Let's see what this looks like. I always like to tie it in a bow to see what it ties like. And I have my bow maker. If you signed up for the Cozy Craft Retreat this year, you got your own personalized wood bow maker. I do not sell these, but you got to sign up for my Cozy Craft Retreat if you want these fun personalized things. I put something personalized every year. Oh, this is so nice. And it's so not like any other ribbon we've had because it's like cotton. It doesn't stretch. It's almost like a fabric. Excuse me. I would pull it tighter, but I don't want to make a bow yet. I want to just show you the ribbon, but oh, it's so nice. And I can tell it ties well and it doesn't slip. All right, so let's move that to the side. And the other one is called Frayed Ribbon. We had a very similar one when we had our pink frayed ribbon this winter that went with that whimsical paper. And this one looks very similar, except it's wider. And let's see how this one ties. Let's see. Oh, this was quite a bit wider. So I'm going to use my bow maker again, and I'm going to move it over so those loops are a little bit bigger and just show you how you do a bow maker. Oh, this is such nice ribbon. It's more kind of like a silky feel to it, and I like that we're getting some wider ribbon, wider ribbon, wusky wabbit, wider ribbon, and that is really pretty. Isn't that nice? It makes perfect bows. All right, so that's what we have for show and tell. So like I said, the best way to get this product in your little hands right away is by signing up to be a demonstrator. And remember, to be a demonstrator, you do not have to do videos and YouTubes and all this online stuff. You can just be a happy discount shopper and purchase all your things at wholesale prices. But if you don't want to do the demonstratorship, I would love to have you as a customer. If you would like to order from my Stampin' Up! Website, just use the host code right here. And guess what? If your order is over $35, you will automatically get in on my Creative You classes. I do these every month, and that's my way of saying thank you. I send you the 3 projects that we made in my in-person class, and you get them for free. And you can either use the stamp sets that you have, or maybe I use something that you don't have and that you like. You could order that in your next order. So anyway, the deadline is the 10th of every month, and if you don't get your order in by December 10th, which is our December Creative You, then it will roll over to the next month. So really, it doesn't matter when you order. If you want in on that month, you just have to do it by the 10th, and if not, then it'll roll over to the next month. All right, so all you need is that $35 order and the host code, and that's what qualifies you for the free items. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. I am not going to be doing a Facebook Live on Friday because I'm going to be spending time with my family, and I'm going to be out of town, so I won't even have my little setup here. But I just want you to enjoy your family and your friends and everyone that you're getting together with, and it's kind of the kickoff to the holiday season after Thanksgiving. So just enjoy the time and the weekend with your family, and then we will catch you the next week. All right, you guys take care. And again, happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.